Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create an easy shine effect on a car in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. Here I already have a speed ramped clip that is stabilized and ready for effects. First scroll to the point where the video slows down, somewhere around here in my case, and duplicate the layer. Hold Alt and press the opening bracket key to trim the beginning of the duplicate. From that point, move 10 frames forward and split the layer into two pieces. Next move 20 more frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down twice, then trim the layer again. After that, move 10 frames forward and split the layer once more. Move a few frames forward again and trim the beginning. Finally, move 10 frames forward and trim the ending by holding Alt and pressing the closing bracket key. At this point, I now have a total of 3 layers that I will use to create the effect. Select the first cut layer and make sure you are at the beginning of it. Next select the Roto Brush tool. In my case, I am using the latest version of After Effects, where the Roto Brush tool is now called the Quick Selection tool. With the tool selected, double-click the layer and begin rotoscoping the car part. I will start with the left headlight to isolate it. Once you are done, click the freeze button and wait for the process to finish. After it is complete, close the rotoscoping window. Next move to the second layer and repeat the same process, but this time isolate a different car part. Finally, go to the third layer and rotoscope one more car part. With all the rotoscoping complete, we can move to the first cut and apply the glow effect. I will be using the Deep Glow plugin, but if you do not have it, you can use the built-in glow effect instead, which works well too. At the beginning of the layer, click the exposure stopwatch icon to add a keyframe, then move to the end of the layer and set the exposure value to 0. Next copy the entire glow effect and paste it onto the other rotoscope layers, but make sure the playhead is at the beginning of each cut before applying the effect. Once that is done, preview the result. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.